besides doing the decor, I also gotta do the dinner decor. So this is what I got going on right now. So I'm gonna paint this little house from Dollar Tree. Although I like my little tree up here, I am thinking of putting it in here, but I'm gonna be covering the green. A little annoying, so I'll be covering up the green maybe with moss or something. So this is kind of what I'm coming up with. This is the Dollar Tree little hearts. I added some stickers. I still haven't put the scents, but I think I want to cover the little heart in this. I'm not sure, but this is just kind of what I'm playing with. I think it's turning out really cute. Of course, if you add marker, it's gonna bleed through, so I went ahead and did pens. I did a black pen to add hearts, 5 cents, 10 cents. Still nothing's glued yet. Painting the little pots from the Dollar Tree. Paint the little pot from the Dollar Tree. I got glue still. So this one's just gonna be simple because I'm running out of ribbon. So I'm just gonna probably do something like this. So I also purchased this Dollar Tree little heart that I will be painting, and I might be adding some greenery to it. So this is how my heart is looking. I added this and some chalk paint. And these are the letters from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna be painting this white. I somewhat want it to look like galvanized, or I don't know, just like a dark gray. So that's the thing with the DIYs, they just flow with you and you just go with it. Okay, so this is what I have so far. I'm just gonna do it around the heart. This black that I've had in my little DIY, so I'm gonna be adding some Valentine things to it. But I kind of want to tone down a little bit of the brown. Okay, so I have this palette and I want to go ahead and put the Valentine thing from Dollar Tree, and I think I might add some ribbon around it. This is kind of like what I'm working on. So this is how my little hutch is with my little plaque. I sure do love it. It is coming out so cute. And then this is the other little pot. Oopsie. All right, so since I'm mimicking the little tiny cute tree, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and show you where I got the little inspiration. I told you I wanted to do a tree and add some hearts on it, so I went ahead and did that. And my daughter added these little hearts. These little hearts are from Dollar Tree. they like blow up or something like that. And so I hung them on there, but it looks really cute. So yeah, my last video I told you guys I was gonna get a tree and put some hearts on it, so I went ahead and did that. And again, this is another one of the little Dollar Tree little balloons that they inflate. I think it's so cute. And I think it goes adorable with my little plaque. I am just loving the gingham, the red and white is so cute. I love the little pops of red. Even though Christmas is over, I still think it's really cute. Okay, so I went ahead and added some ribbon on here as well. I just thought it looked cute. Talk about mimicking my little DIY, huh? And that way we can still get some like Christmas kind of Valentine-ish, winterish, you know, some little excuse. Okay guys, so I got this heart wreath from the Dollar Tree. What I'm gonna do is cut out the little heart in the middle. And I have an idea with it. So this is what I got. This is the wreath and this is the heart that I pulled out of there. Now it does leave these little stubs. I was thinking of maybe sanding them down or using my Dremel if that's gonna like bother you. I did leave the bottom of it. So when you cut it out, try to leave the bottom of these here because this I'm gonna try to stick in a planter. See why I like to leave the little arches back there, because you can put it in a little bin, in a little planter. You gotta put the foam in there as well, so, but I'm not using the foam just yet. I just wanted to show you. This is how it's looking. Now, you do have to, you could choose to just do it like this, but I'm gonna glue. Okay, so this is how the cute little planter turned out. And I just added it over here with my little DIY Dollar Tree canvas windows. And I did do a video on that. I think it turned out really cute. Now, like I said, if these little things that stick out, you don't like them, you could either file them down or you could put a ribbon around the heart, which that's where I'm going to show you next. We're going to see how it looks like because I don't even know what it looks like. We're just going to try and figure this out and see what looks cute. I can't believe I found these little ribbons from Dollar Tree like I mentioned. And look how adorable my little heart turned out. I did go ahead and wrap it and I will show you a better picture. This is a different look. If those little sticky things, you don't like them, you could always go ahead and put a ribbon in it. Okay guys, so this is the final product with the little ribbon twirled around the heart. So this is just a little area. I put like some little heart Valentine cookies. This is just one of my areas that I love to display my decor. And the reason why that is because I have so much light here. So I just love this little area. This banner, I believe, was from Target Dollar Spot, but I believe it was a while back. Then I got the kisses from the 99, and I just put some Ray Dunn mugs up here. And this is how kind of this area turned out. Okay, so at Dollar Tree, I know they have plain mugs. This is just a Ray Dunn mug that I got just for the video, and I did just stick that on there. Again, you could glue it on, you could add more, and I did, this says drink me, and I wanted it to look like a little tea bag, you know. Again, for decor, of course, you're not gonna stick this in the dishwasher or nothing like that. And I mean, for a picture, you know, I think it will look really cute. But I also had something else in mind for it. I left off with the cookie cutters there. I did get this bake letters a while back from Hobby Lobby, and this is the little DIY, and you saw the pasta, how much it is. I just put it in there. The little Dollar Tree bake pan, and these little ones here, they're from Walmart. And you saw I got these little, I think, I'm not sure guys, I think I got these at Walmart a while back. But guys, I just think this turned out so cute. I'm not really one to do a lot, but I figured why not display it. I got my own little store here. Now if I move the table here, I got those little coffee mugs a while back from the 99, I think last year. And I think it's so cute to just display everything, not just buy it and put it away, but I also like to display and look at it. And I got this Gimme Some Sugar from the Target Dollar Spot. I did get that Happy Valentine's sign from the 99. Guys, and I just want to add to this, I want to do some more little treats for this video, guys. I really do hope you guys enjoy this, because I love doing all these things for you guys, giving you guys ideas, or just, you know, trying to inspire someone. I mean, because I know there's so many of you out there that are so good, that inspire me as well on YouTube, on Instagram. I'm just like, wow, with all the creative people out there. I mean, if anything, I've learned from you guys, so thank you.